So what is up people, welcome to the new video, and in this video we are gonna see how we can deploy a React project on GitHub Pages. So we can host our React project for free, and we will be deploying this React project on GitHub Pages using GitHub Actions workflow. So it will be automated process. So whenever you push your new changes of code, so your new changes will be deployed automatically on GitHub Pages. So we are inside our GitHub repository, and in this we have a React application, that is React to-do list app, and we need to deploy this to-do list app on GitHub Pages. So we will be deploying this only using GitHub Actions workflow. So first of all, let's create a .github folder, and inside that .github folder we need to create another folder for our workflows, and inside that we can create a configuration file, let's say deploy.yaml. So first of all, as we know, we need to name it. So let's say name deploy to-do list, right? And after it we need to specify an event for it, let's say on push. So inside this push event we can also add some filters like branches. So we can say we will want to deploy it whenever someone push only on main branch. Now we need to start our jobs. So our first job is, let's say, deploy, and you can name it, and if you want you can directly add like where on, like on which virtual machine you want to run this job. So let's say Ubuntu latest. So now start writing our steps. So our first step will be check out the repository. So in this we will be using a pre-built GitHub action, that is actions checkout. You can specify a version, let's say version 2. And another step will be we need to install all the packages, right? So we can say npm install, and here we need to run the command npm ci. And here notice one thing. So whenever you check out to this repository, it is a root repository directory, right? But we need to run this command npm ci inside this to-do list application project. So how we can do that? We need to specify a working directory here, right? So we can say working directory, and which working directory? It is React to-do list app, right? After installing our all the packages, we need to build this project. So we can say npm, or we can specify the name like build app. Okay, and here which command we need to run? We need to run npm run build, right? And inside this also we need to specify the working directory, that is same React to-do list app. And after all these steps we need to deploy our project. So how we can deploy? So for deploying to GitHub Pages we can use a already built action, that is James Eves GitHub Pages deploy action, and it has version 4.1.5. and here it this action accepts some inputs like which branch you want to deploy. We can say to-do list React, or you can say GitHub Pages, whatever branch you like, to create another one for your build of your project. And here you need to specify the folder, like from which folder you want to deploy to GitHub Pages. So when we run this npm run build command, so it will create a build project inside this to-do list application, right? And we need to deploy that build project, like that build folder. So how you can specify that folder? We need to first add the path of our React to-do list app, and inside that to-do list application folder we have our build folder. We will have that build folder when this npm run build command will run, right? So we can deploy this build folder to GitHub Pages. So this complete workflow will automatically check out and then install all the packages, then it will build our project and it will deploy our project to GitHub Pages. So now we need to push this, and as a commit message we can type like a deploy to GitHub Pages, and let's push it. So now you can see in the actions tab our workflow is triggered and it is running all the steps, right? So it is running npm install, So our workflow is executed successfully, and now if you go to your repository, you can see there should be another branch. It will create automatically that you have specified here, this branch, and in this branch this will have some like that build folder, right? And this is saying deploying to to-do list react from this commit, right? And if you go to your pages, you can see like here you need to specify from which branch you want to deploy your project to GitHub Pages, and you can hit the save button, and whenever you save it, there should be a workflow that is triggered. This is an automatic workflow by GitHub. This is like pages build deployment, and this will run and this will deploy your new project to GitHub Pages. So this workflow also has been executed successfully, and it is saying the application is deployed to this link. So you can go to this link and we can see our to-do list app. Also remember one thing, whenever you deploy a React project, so inside your package.json you need to specify this home page. So what will be your home page? Like wherever your GitHub Pages URL will be go, right? So this is like tsstr.github.io. this is our repository name, right? So our application is deployed to our GitHub Pages. So this is saying like to-do list app. You can run your application just like you are running on local. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.